No.
Mr. Olupi, I cannot give up now.
We are giving up on day one. No. I don't want to say which year.
Oh my.
Yeah.
But in the near future, where do you see yourself? I mean, everybody have a dream. Everybody have an achievement. So what's yours?
Breaking all reviews record.
Oh my God. Oh my God. You eat. I mean, I watched one of your recent videos and you drank 12 eggs.
Oh boy.
12
12 eggs.
I mean, that's crazy.
How much I will drink? 12 eggs in a very long time. Well, my diet currently is just strictly carbohydrate and protein.
Oh my.
Like oats, egg, but no this thing, raw egg, boiled egg, and rice, cook rice. I'm a chef right now because of bodybuilding. Oh boy. Ooh. Damn. So you have to be your own wife. You get. Let's go. Jesus, my hand is pumped. Damn. The way I used to snore now, that's increased.
The big one.
Like trailer.
Did you hear yourself?
Like trailer.
Like you don't hear yourself before? Yeah. Or you all those things where you go just wake up no say it is no.
You don't say cat.
Now I tell you. Hey, or you go wake up see your mouth they open, you go no say cat or something no dey okay. Except
hello Siri.